Guys, so today basically I'm going to explain how the subdivision surface on Blender works. So basically right now I'm going to make a thing right here. Wait, no, hold on. I'm going to make a thing right here, and then I'm going to make a thing right here, and then a thing right here. And then I'm going to do this, right? So this is done like this. This is done like, no, wait. And then this is done, hold on. Man, I hate, hiccups. They're so annoying. And then you have to do this, right? And then, so basically, you're going to have, and then basically you're going to have to do something like this. And then same for this. And then same for this. So basically what this is God, this is not geometrical. Please excuse that. It's not geometrical at all. So this is here. So basically what they do is take 4 of these, and then they subdivide it into 8 of these, right? 8 of, so these into a thing like that, and then they see, oh, it's like this is a half and this is a half, and they know it's like this to here to here to here. So they then take the corner right here, so then they connect it from here to here, and then they do it again, but for all sides. Hold on. Shut up. And then they do it like this right here, and then you get a subdivision surface. But it won't look like that right here because they have other sides. So in order to achieve the thing they did, like, because right here, right, it points out. So basically what you have to do is to create it back, but with only the lines like so, and then you have something like this. I know it's not straight. You know what? I'm going to recreate that. Okay, hold on. Oops. So, oh, come on, seriously? What? Oh wait, never mind. So basically what you have to do is to put a line here, and then to 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 here, and then now you have an almost perfect subdivision surface thingamajig. And then now you're going to have to, because hold on, if you turn on wireframe mode, it'll be like this. So if you go here and then you go to, shoot, that's the outline, isn't it? But like, anyway, if you go here and then wait, and then if you go here, go here, and then go here, and then go here, and then go here, and then, oh, shut up! Oh my god, this is so annoying. And then go here, and then just do something like that, and then go here, and then go here, and then you have an almost perfect subdivision surface. The reason why it pops out is because if you turn it to the side, wait, the side is the same, so if you turn to the side, okay, so if you go over here, okay, do 5, oh come on. So if you do here, and then you go here, why is it so hard? Okay, never mind. The side is the same. It's basically like, so basically, if you go here, and then this thing, like it's basically just like like this, and if you do some, it's sticking out like that. So if you do a subdivision 2 times, it'll do the same thing. Absurd. So if you go to 2, and then if you go to here, oh my god, how do you turn that off? How do you turn, ugh. God, that's so annoying. Never mind, turn that off. So basically, if you go here, and then it'll just, hold on, I need to turn back on the grid. Here to here, 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 here to there, there to there, there to there, and there to there. Now, if you go back here, and then you use your lines, right? So basically, I'm going to use that thing, and then it'll basically just take the middle of it, do something like that. Wait, no. Okay, so you take the corner. Wait, hold on. You take the corner. Oh, okay, what is the middle again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the middle. So if you take something like that, that's the middle right there. That's the middle. So if you take something like that, and then something like that, and then something like that, and then same goes for here. Oh god, why? Oh, my grid is so ugly. I can't even maneuver through this. Okay, that's like 3 things. Okay. I think I messed up. Ugh. If you go here, and then you go here, and then you go here, and you go here.
Trade inbound.
And then if you go here, and then if you go here, and then if you go here. Okay, never mind. Hold on. If you, nah, what is that again? Oh yeah. So that, and then that. Why is, okay, this is, oh, that's why. Okay, and then you go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you go over there, and then you go over, and and then you go over here. You go over here, and then you go over here, and then you go up, and then you go over. God, why are these striking me? And then you go over here, and then you go over here, and then, wait, no, that's, and then you go over here, and then if you remove that, and then if you go ahead and remove, oh, if you go ahead and remove that, why do I have hiccups? I hate hiccups. I've had like hiccups for 3 times today already. What is with the hiccups? Not to mention I pee a lot. Okay, let's fix. Come on, seriously. So, oh, shut up! Why? So if you do like that, and then if you do something like so, and then you get an almost perfect circle. And for the comparisons, here is the comparison. Not bad, not bad. If you were to subdivide once again, well, that's too much for me to do. That'll probably take an hour or something. But you get the gist. So that's basically like, so, oh god, seriously. So they take an object, like a square, and then they use they divide into a 4x4, I mean a 2x2, and then they do it again as a, so they do it by, so they do it as a 4x4, and then for the 4x4 they're going to find the middle of the thingamajig, and so if you find the middle like that, no, you have to do it like this. Wait, no, never mind. You have to find the middle. God, why do I keep... Okay, so they have to find the middle of the thingamajig, and then they have to use a line, right? So they have to find the corners. Where is my line tool? Oh, there we go. So they have to find the corner. So if you turn back subdivisions to that, right, it'll be simple. And then they find the corner of that, find the corner, find the corner, find the corner, find the corner. And that's how you get a fucking subdivision. And then if you want to go on, they find the middle of something like that. And then they do something like this. And then they do something like this. Okay, hold on. Oh, wait, no. So they find... What? Oh, well, I deleted the things, but you get the gist. Just go back in the video to check. But, like, anyway, they use the middle, so of the... you get the gist, right? You get the gist. But, like, anyway, that's my thingamajig for Blender fucking subdivisions explained by an 11-year-old.